Hello guys and welcome again to my YouTube channel. So guys, as you can see, I have with me here this sweet greenish oil, and it is referred to as neem oil, which is very good for hair. So if you want to know how I made this oil right here, then just carry on watching. Hello guys and welcome back again. So like I said before the intro, today we are going to learn how to make neem oil at home for hair. Now these are the leaves you're going to be using for this. I'm sure you must have come across these leaves one way or another, and my Nigerian folks, I think this is referred to as dogon. I know a lot of people know it as dogon, and I don't know if other tribes refer to it differently though, but these are the leaves and they are very accessible. You can get them anywhere. So now we are going to start by washing this. Guys, make sure you always wash this before using it. So in this bowl I have water and I'm going to be adding some salt. So I would wash it thoroughly, and you're washing this because definitely you're going to find some dirt on it, and you're washing it for sand, bacteria and the likes. So make sure you don't skip this part. Make sure you wash this because the oil you're making from this is going into your hair. So you don't want to make oil from something that is dirty and has some bacteria, so you won't end up with more troubles or problems in your hair. Okay, so I don't know if you've noticed, but the water has already started changing its color. That's to show you how necessary it is to wash these leaves. So just look at that. Look at the color of the water now. It's completely changed. So I'm going to take this out and rinse them again. So right now I'm done washing it, and I'm just going to take the leaves off the stalk and set them aside. You can see how very easy it is to get the leaves off the stalk. You don't need the stalk, that's why I'm not using it. It's not that relevant, just the leaves. So just take the leaves and set it aside for the next step. So guys, neem leaves have a good number of benefits that keep your hair game going strong. Now, some of these beautiful and plentiful benefits are the fact that it gets rid of dandruff and itchiness of scalp. Very good for that. And I want to point out that these leaves are kind of minty, or I don't know whether to say peppery, because in the process of blending it, or maybe if you decide to pound it, you notice that it starts choking your eyes. You know how when you're cutting onions and it's making you cry, this is how it pricks the eye. I don't know whether that's the word to use though, but it's kind of minty and peppery, something like that. Okay, so right now you can see that I'm through with getting the leaves off the stalk, and these are the leaves now, fresh, very clean. And right now I'm just going to go ahead to blend this. And guys, do not add water into this. You don't need any single water. Look at this, these are the leaves now. I've blended them. If you don't have a blender, you can pound it. It's very easy to pound. The leaves are very soft. So like I said, do not add water when blending it. So right now I'm going to use coconut oil as my carrier oil to make the neem oil, and I'm going to add in, I think, 2.5 tablespoons. Yes, that's 1, 2.5. So you can use olive oil if you don't have coconut oil, or if that is your preferred choice. You can also use almond oil or whatever natural carrier oil you have. So right now I'm going to use the double boiler method. If you want to fry this directly in your pot, fine and good, but I just prefer using the double boiling method. So that's my pan. I've added some water in it and it is on the stove. So basically you're just going to let this heat gradually and just keep stirring it from time to time, and you'll notice that as time goes on, the color or the shade of this green is going to change. You can see it's dark green now, almost like emerald green, but as time goes on, you see that the color of the leaves are going to change, and the color, let me say, transfers itself into the oil as well as the nutrients. So just keep stirring it gradually until when you see that the color of the oil is greenish, then that is a cue for you to stop. So I just keep stirring and stirring and stirring until it is okay. So another benefit of neem leaves is that it stimulates hair growth, it prevents premature graying of hair, and it also repairs dry ends and split ends. So if you're fed up of rough, dry and frizzy ends, then neem leaves are for you because it hydrates the hair strands and it increases the volume of hair. Now it also conditions the entire hair from root to tip and prevents dry and frizzy ends from forming, leaving it conditioned and soft. So guys, you can see that the color of this oil is completely green now, and the shade of the green in the leaves have completely changed. So this is okay, and I'm going to take it off the heat and I'm going to let it cool down completely before I drain it. So at this point, it is completely cooled down. I let it sit for a while, so right now it's cool, and I'm going to strain the oil. And the cloth I'm using is doubled. I doubled it so that there won't be any extra chaff underneath. So you can use a muslin cloth, any filter you have that is convenient for you. But basically you're just going to strain this oil and do away with the chaff. So I'm just going to let you guys watch everything because I think I've talked too much. So guys, this is the oil I just made now. Can you see how greenish it looks? It gives it that kind of dark green color, and I tell you that this oil right here is very powerful. Don't sleep on this, guys. Make sure you try this out, and it does a whole lot of good to your hair. Can you see the color? I just love the color of this oil. I don't know why. Maybe because green is kind of one of my best colors right now. So guys, use this oil at least twice a week, and trust me that you're going to see massive results on your hair. And I just transferred it into this bottle for easy application. So guys, that's all about this video. I hope you've learned something, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a positive comment in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please feel free to join the family, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when next I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.